Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and we got some breaking cruise news, some super exciting cruise news, some spectacular cruise news for everybody out there. And this could be step number one in the change that we are looking for, because Norwegian Cruise Lines, well, they are relaxing their masking policy, and masks will no longer be mandatory on Norwegian Cruise Lines effective March the 1st. So a breakdown on the changes that Norwegian Cruise Lines has made. So effective March the 1st, masks will no longer be required indoors while on Norwegian Cruise Lines. However, they are still recommended, but not required. Now, cruises sailing up to March the 1st will still require you wear masks indoors at all times except when actively eating or drinking. So this doesn't go in effect until March the 1st. But that's not the only change that Norwegian is making. They're actually making a slight adjustment to their vaccination requirements as well. Remember, Norwegian has been 100% vaccinated, 100%, no exceptions. And now they've made a change to that as well. And children under the age of 5 who are ineligible to be vaccinated, well, they can now start sailing on Norwegian Cruise Lines. And that begins on March the 5th. So the question becomes, will we see other cruise lines start to make changes in their health and safety protocols? Will Norwegian be the cruise ship that will lead the way into change? Will we start to see a reduction in masking requirements? Well, we're going to find out. We're going to keep watching the news, see if any other cruise lines start to head down this path as well. Others have talked about it. They've hinted at it. They suggested it. But now the question is, will they do it? Will they follow Norwegian Cruise Lines? Now, we will cover this story a little more in depth in tomorrow's video, but I wanted to get this information out to you today. That way we can all be excited that at least one cruise line won't require masks just to sail. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick breaking cruise news. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.